The water, time's ineffable flow, whispering the stories of millennia, of odysseys across history's paths, of empires rising from the visions of kings, of mountains crafted by the hands of legends, legends of Egypt. Come, voyage upon the flow of time in a luxury train journey presented by Arsenale and Egyptian Railways, the guardian of the Nile. From the historic streets of Cairo to the verdant shores of Aswan, experience the luxury of an unparalleled adventure through this historical railway. Let the gaze of the gods follow you as you tread the steps of the pharaohs, dining on our onboard five-star opulence and basking in extravagance worthy of the royal dynasties. Stand breathless in the Egyptian panorama, where jewels flow into oases, where temples rise over ancient tombs, and be transported through time's most magnificent spectacles, aboard the Guardian of the Nile.